scuba equals new scuba.
But why do we do new? That's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. So, if you've ever used primitive or reference types in Java, which you probably have, you'll notice that for primitives, you write the exact value right when you're saying. So when you say, like, let's say for an example, int is primitive, it's int, lowercase I. You write int, and then you write the variable name, and then you write equals, but then you just write whatever number you want. So you can just write 3. You wouldn't have to do what you normally do for almost every other object. You would do new, and then the class name, or the constructor, and then parentheses. But why do we put for primitives the value, and some, very rarely, but some, a few for the reference, like string and all the wrapper classes for the primitives? You write the value after the equals, but almost every other object, it's new and then the constructor. So it's pretty simple to understand the value when you're just putting the value into the variable. But yeah, why do we do new and then that? So the new keyword, which is a keyword, but yes, keyword Easter week is over. I did tell you public, static, void, which are keywords in the first episode. So it's fine. New just takes up space on your computer. Yeah, that's for an object. So that's why the constructor constructs your your object. So when you so what the new keyword does, it takes up space on your computer to put the constructor inside that memory. So now the object is located at that memory location. So that's what new keyword does, and that's also what the difference between literals and, I don't know what I'm going to call it, I don't know what it's called, like the things where you put, you don't put the exact value, you take up space there. Yeah. So that's the difference between those two. And that's also similarly the end of this episode of Daily Java with Jack.